Why is this desktop app the GoHighLevel killer? I'm going to show you in a few minutes, and this is going to blow your mind. I'm going to make this video very quick, and I'm going to show you some of the features. We have here auto SEO engine. So if I click on the auto SEO engine, what happens is that let me use my different login, one of my domains, optailingai.com. All right, so let's sign into WordPress. So this is going to log in automatically inside WordPress. There's no feature like this in GoHighLevel. I'm going to show you step by step the insane features that are found in this desktop app. It combines GoHighLevel features, instantly, Apollo, SEMrush, Href, all of them combined. Auto SEO, auto blogging, everything combined. Let me show you. Even they even have support with CRM. Everything is inside this app, this software. So now let's log in into WordPress. This is WordPress. I'm logging into WordPress. This is crazy. All right. Okay, now it's login successful. So this page has 50, this website has 50 pages. Now it's logging into WordPress, and it shows you all the pages that are found in this website. All right, so let me go to the top. I'm just going to try to slow down so you can follow up. Score is 80%. Now here we have one blog post, which is Markdown Provision 2024, your essential guide to navigating real estate agent commissions in Germany. So that is the title, and the score is 80%. And here it shows you the title and the description. So what is the focus keyword? So the focus keyword here is going to be real estate agent. Let me copy it. Let me put it here, real estate agent. And now it says keyword is in SEO title, is in URL, is also in paragraph introduction, is also in the description, but it's not in H2 or H3. So we can fix this. The tool will fix it for you automatically. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to visit that page to change it. You're gonna let the tool do it for you itself. All right. So the tool is going to do it for you. Before I even continue, here I think I have, and here we have Google Search Console and instant indexing. If I check on the instant indexing, I have a JSON file, but this JSON file doesn't belong to what I just logged in. Let me see if I can find it. This JSON file belong to different websites. So let me change the login here. I'm going to put different websites because of the JSON file, so I can show you all the features. So this is the lucando24.de. Okay, let me see. Lucando, is it working? Yeah, okay, so this is the website that I have the JSON. So let me re-log in into different websites. It's working. Let's see what's gonna happen. It's connecting. Okay, so connecting established. Let me go to pages. All right, so I'm logging. I'm inside WordPress, and this is different page. Okay, so here it shows me live outgoing hyperlink. Wow, so it has automatically find all these hyperlinks that are going out. Okay, so these are some of the pages that we created. Okay, so that is crazy. I didn't even know that. So many outgoing links. Okay, and it's pinging. It's just pinging them all automatically for them to be indexed by Google. All right, so let's just pick one website. So these are all the pages. Top WordPress Agent1 in Regensburg. So here you can see the score is 60. The page doesn't have a schema markup, so no JSON, no schema, and the inbound link is 3. I'm sorry about. So the inbound links is 3. So Google Search Console has 0 impression for this page. It's showing you everything. And here we have the title. Here we have the description. So let's see what is going to be the focus keyword. The focus keyword is going to be WordPress agencies in the German language. So I'm going to paste it here. It's going to be WordPress Agent1. So we have the focus keyword in the title, in the URL, but it's not in the content, the paragraph, and it's also not in the description. It's not in the H2 and H3. So we have to fix this. So to fix this, we can click here and just go down and say auto fix, auto surgery. So it's going to run and fix this automatically. You don't have to do this. So this is one of the reasons we say this is a GoHighLevel killer, because some features nobody has it. Only this software has these features. Now we have to wait and see what's going to happen. So it says AI. Okay, so it's back. Now this is the old title, Top WordPress Agenturen in Regensburg. That is translated Top WordPress Agencies in Regensburg. Now the new title is going to be Beste WordPress Agenturen in a Vexum Online Folk. That is Best SEO Agencies, your way to online success, if you translate it in English. And now let me see the description, search snippet meter. Okay, so this is the old description and this is the new description that we are going to get. And the alt tag is also going to be, these are the old images. These are the old image alt tag. You see 1, 2, 3, 4. These are not, they are not matching. So the system is going to generate new one, SEO descriptive tag generated. So it's going to add a new description for all the images, and it's going to fix the title, the images, and the schema. It's going to insert schema and meta and also internal links. All right, so the proposed links are going to be, where's the proposed links? Not listed, custom inbound and outbound links proposals. Okay, no injected links opportunity. That's fine. So now we have option A, option B, option C. So let me go back to the title. Let's say we don't like the option A, you can go to option B. It's going to give you a different description, and it's going to fix the image and alt tags, everything automatic. And here's option C. All right, so let's say we are going with the option A, creative and high city best WordPress Agenturen in Regensburg. So the only thing I have to do is just click perform surgery. So it's going to fix my SEO inside WordPress automatically. New SEO score is 70 by 100. So if I refresh it, it's going to be 70. So now we can see, where is it? Where is it? I have to scroll down to find it. Where is it? This is the Regensburg, Augsburg. I'm trying to find it to see if we will find the updated. So it has pulled so many pages from WordPress. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? All right, so I have to scroll down to the bottom, because it has changed the everything, so the position is also going to change. All right, so all the same, let me go back to the top to show you something. Now everything has changed. Okay, so let's say we have so many pages that we can change. So the thing that what we have to do right now to change everything is just to click the full content. This one is going to change the content of the page. But if I want to fix everything, I'm going to click box surgery. If I click on the box surgery, it's going to fix the entire pages. Everything is going to be fixed. Now let me go back to Google Search Console. Now here, let's say I have this is the sitemap. If I click on extract, it's going to extract all the URLs from the sitemap. Here we have all the URLs, and I can submit them for indexing. Wait a minute, this is different. We are using Locando, so here I have to change it. Let me use here. Okay, let me clean this. So it's gonna be Locando 24.de. All right, so extract sitemap. It's going to scan it and get us all the URLs. Okay, now here we are. It's connected 388 URLs. It has extracted all these URLs. So from Google Search Console. So now I want to submit this for instant indexing. And this is connected with Google. It's going to submit them through Google Search Console. All I have to do is click on the instant URL submission. This is going to take some time because it's over 300 URLs. I want to make this video very fast and I don't want to waste so much time, but you got the idea. Okay, and the next one is Google Search Console Health Guide Auto Healer. So if I click this, now it's going to connect with Google Search Console. Okay, so let me close this. Now you can see it's connected with Google Search Console, and we are now inside Google Search Console. This is crazy, people. This GoHighLevel and all these AI tools, they don't have these features. Nobody's showing you your rankings and your position inside Google Search Console, unless you have to do it yourself. So here it says Google Search Console URL is unknown to Google. So this URL we are seeing right now, you can see is unknown to Google, right? Okay, so let me go back here. I think I gotta fix something here. It's Locando 24. Okay, so I have to do it like this to trigger URLs. Wait a minute, it's running. Let me go back to the universal. Let me log in again, connect with Locando, and let me see. Okay, it's connected successfully back to Google Search Console. Let me close this. We have two different connections. Okay, yeah, we have two different connections from two different websites, but you get the idea. So the idea is now you can see these URLs are unknown to Google, even though we are inside Google Search Console. The reason why we have two different URL and different domains showing right here is because of the JSON file. The JSON file here belongs to different URL, so I have to check it later. But all the same, I'm showing you the features. So now that we are inside Google Search Console, AI auto heal and validate. So this is where you can fix all your issues inside Google Search Console using this. So pull Google Search Console issues. Now it's going to scan. Okay, close it. This is how you are going to fix all these issues inside Google Search Console. Let's move on. Performance and quick wins. Load performance. So this is going to Search Console rejected access. Okay, so I know why, because this is the JSON file. I have to check it and fix it later. But let me go to Core Web Vitals. Measure. Let me see what is going to happen. And here we have always on watchdog. This always on watchdog is monetizing and checking on your Google Search Console, and it's going to send you an email every 24 hours to tell you your Google Search Console, it has an update. Now let me scroll down here. You can see top fixes, biggest time saving first, reduce unused SSS. Okay, now my desktop, let me see, measuring. Let's wait a minute. I'm trying to move fast to show you all the features. So here we have the always on watchdog is sending you email every 24 hours and tell you some of the pages that are losing impressions, some that are getting more clicks, and on desktop is 64. So if you check direct on Google Search Console, it's the same. And here we have Bing search. The Bing search is also the same. If I click on crawl, let me see. Bing website API first. Okay, so I have to add this first. Let's move on. I don't want to waste so much time. Here we have internal linking. Let me connect. First of all, let me go to pages. It's going to connect all your pages, and you can use this to set up all your internal linkings, and the tool is going to do it for you automatically. I will do another video next time to give you step by step how to use this feature. And here is going to find broken links. If I put Locando 24.de and click on scan for broken links, is going to scan and give me all the broken links. Wait a minute, I have to use the HTTPS. Oops. Wait a minute. What is this? HTTPS. Okay. Keyword is in English. Yes. So it's going to scan and give us, you can see here, the broken links that we have, active, and here it says no action required. So there is no broken links. I fixed it the last time I checked. So let's say you have broken links and we want to fix it. All we have to do is we're just going to click a button. It's going into WordPress and fix all these broken links for us. Image SEO is going to, let's the images. Let me see here, show and see pages to scan. Let's select 5 pages, run image audit. It's now scanning and will run an audit and show us all the errors inside the image. And we can also scan this when this is finished, and we can fix everything automatically by just clicking a button. You say fix it for me, or bulk repair is going to fix all your images. So you don't need SEO experts. You don't need digital marketing agencies. You don't have to spend so much money for people to fix your SEO or marketing or your pages or your whatever, WordPress, Shopify. This desktop is going into your WordPress or Shopify and fix everything for you automatically. Now it's auditing. After it is done, after you fix everything, you can also build topical map, which I'm going to show you very soon. Let's wait a minute. This is loading. It's taking some time. Okay, so now we can see here missing width, not lazy loaded, oversized, legacy format, non-descriptive file name. Okay, so these are the images. It has pulled all the images from WordPress and is showing us the images and all the errors that we have inside the image. When you click bulk fix on WordPress. It's going to fix your images. Everything is going to be fixed. Alt tags, whatever, image description, everything is going to be fixed. And if you scroll down here and say 50 pages is too much, okay, these are the pages that are on the site. So scan for missing alt text. So it came with found one image without missing alt tag. So this image doesn't have. So all I have to do is say repair. Once I click on repair, it's going to fix this image and fix the alt tag for this image. Now it's working, it's going inside WordPress and fix it for me. Your image alt tags had successfully fixed. That is all. Now here we have alt repaired. So this image is fixed, the SEO is done. No digital marketing agency, no SEO expert. This desktop is doing everything. Now here topical map. So let me select link building. So I want to set up a topical map for link building. So I click on it and click on mapping. So it's gonna run it and give me the result. And with the result, I can build all the articles that I want, and automatically, look here, we have the result. Topical map successful. Outreach and communication, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have content-led link building, creating data-driven studies for industry backlinks. Technical and foundational link building tools. So let's say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So here, if I click select all, it's going to highlight all these topical authority titles. And if I click on auto push 35 articles into WordPress, it's going to take some time, but it will create all these articles and publish them automatically for me inside WordPress. I don't have to lift a finger. So this is it here. And the next one here at the top, we are still inside one feature. All of this is just one feature. SEO search. And inside SEO search, we have silo planner. So the silo planner, let me give it link building. The silo planner, I'm going to give the URL locando24.de. Let's reduce it to 50 pages. Okay, invalid URL, I have to use the HTTPS and then this. So I'm going to say map my silo, and let's see, it's going to visit this website, crawl everything. This is better than, how do we call this website? I don't know, Streaming Frog or whatever it is, the Streaming Frog, or I forgot the name, maybe I'm right. It scans your website, shows you the broken links and everything, but it's up to you to fix them. But look here, this one, it shows you everything and fix it for you. This is what makes this tool one of the best in town. Now look, the silo, it shows you as of 51 pages, 50 silos, 764 internal links, 764 cross silo links, and 0 orphans. So sorry, SEO fixes, 764 cross silos links, authority linking between topics. So let me scroll down. Now we have AI silo strategy. So these are the opportunities that we have. It lists everything for us. I'm moving fast because this is not the video to run it. This is only the video to show it to you. And we can fix everything. This is the silo. Here we have our local SEO, which is going to create special schema for your local SEO ranking and the local map. But I'm trying to run very fast. Let me go back. And here we have back to the SEO search, still inside the auto SEO. Here we have video keyword. Let me see how to do SEO. Just a simple keyword. Research video. This is better than vidIQ. Now here you can see all the videos, median views. That is 137,000. Ranking video 15, keywords 120. Okay, so here it gives us YouTube keyword ideas. So these are the ideas you can use to create your own YouTube videos based on this keyword that I give. And if I go further, generate title hooks, it's going to give me the title, the hooks. Let's just try it. It's going to give us everything that we need for our video. Let's say we are creating a new video. This is going to give us everything we need. Okay, let me see the person. Okay, let me just continue. And here we have people also ask, and we have keyword research. Let me go back. So the whole time, this entire time, I was inside one feature. Think about it. And here we have local SEO. We've talked about it. Okay, so let me go back. Here we have AI ad manager. The AI ad manager here. You want to set up Google ads or Facebook advertisements, and you are not a technical person, you don't know how to do it. Very simple. This tool is going to do it for you. My campaign. Or let me see. We don't have campaigns, strategies, and audits. campaign builder. Here we are in the campaign builder. So let me give my URLs. Let's say optilinkai.com is my URL, and my campaign is to generate leads, and the location is optional. I don't need it. So, and the search is going to be standard. We have performance max, we have demand general. So I'm going to leave it standard. Click on generate. That is it. You don't need experts who can create you high quality advertisement lying to you. No, this is the AI is going to do it for you. Now it's generating our ads. Our ads is generated. Search leads, link building. That's the name, AI Global. We have score of 85. And here you can see the headlines. Autonomous link building tool. Rank your site automatically. AI powered link building. So if you are doing it manually, all you have to do is you run this software, you run this desktop app, and just copy all of this and transfer it to your ad. That is if you want to do it manually. But if you want everything automatically, sorry, here we have connect to publish. All you have to do, you connect this to publish, and it's going to be automatically connected into your Google advertisement or into your Facebook ad. So you don't have to do anything. Here we have the description, authority, and metrics. Everything is set up. Description, everything is set up for you completely. You can start your campaign. This is for Google, for Facebook, for Microsoft, TikTok, LinkedIn, for you to start running your ads. My campaigns, these are some of the campaigns that I just try to see. So let's say you also have it, you can try it. And here we have auto optimize. Let me click here. If we have campaign running, so we can click here, select our campaign, and optimize our campaign further so we don't spend so much money. Audience tracking, creative studio, analytics, which is going to show us everything about our campaign. So now let's go back to the dashboard. Okay, we are online. Now the next is chatbot. This is crazy, people. This is crazy. Now you understand why I say this is go high level killer, because not only go high level, but most of them, they cannot offer you all this. So let me delete this chatbot. So, and let's create one chatbot right now. I'm going to delete all this chatbot. Okay, I'm going to delete all this. These are just trials that I'm doing. So let's create a new chatbot. So our chatbot, the website is going to be, I'm just going to pick a random website, seo.com. Okay, so seo.com is going to be our website. Let me see. Is it working? Let me delete this and then create a new one, new chatbot. Okay, wait a minute. Add to knowledge. I'm running an AI in the background, and this AI is, I think, about 16 gigabytes, and just freezing my PC, I think. All right, so let me move this very fast. The aim is that all I have to do is just to give the URL of the domain. So once I give the URL and click on crawl, it's going to crawl the website and get all the information of the website and list all the URLs here. And I will add it to my knowledge. So adding it to the knowledge is going to power the chatbot to answer every question about the website. And the next thing, go to customize. Give my chatbot a name and the color that I want and the greetings message that I want. And here, agent photo. So let's say I have a photo of the agent that I want to use. I'm going to give it here. And the chatbot can also, it has a voice capability, just like using GoHighLevel. Okay, people can go to the website and talk to the AI chat agent. They can also chat with it. So if I click here and then select the person, I can use Sarah, Dominic, Adam, or Anthony, or Rachel, anyone that I choose. And here is going to be, the tone, friendly, whatever I choose is going to use the tone. And here I can click here to suggest the questions that I want to be pre-listed for the client. Let me go back here and see. Okay, so let me see Optilink AI. Wait a minute. Okay, let me move fast. Let me show it to you. And here it's going to give us automatically, it's going to create a link for us. And when we send this link to our client, the client can open the link and start chatting. And it also has a calendar embedded. So here we have bookings and calendar. So if I go onto the bookings and calendar, I can create a new calendar. If I go to new calendar, I can create a new calendar and use the URL to send it to the client, to embed inside the chatbot. So once it is done, the client can use it, it can book everything and work with it. And also somebody, or if someone is visiting this chatbot, they can schedule an appointment and the appointment will be automatically sent to your email. Everything works exactly like with GoHighLevel. So that is how it is. Let me delete this. Let me go back to the dashboard. Email marketing. So if I click on the email marketing, let's say you have your list already, so you can use this to send out your email marketing. Here we have this here what we have, some of the emails that I tested. Okay, that is good. Spam risk, email automatic email authentication for Optilink AI DKIM is failing. Okay, so you have the idea. I'm not going to go through it. I will make another video so we can go through everything one by one. I'm now showing you just the features. Okay, here we have outreach. So outreach email, if I click on it, it's going to take us to outreach where we can set up our new campaign. If I click here, let's say I'm going to set up a new campaign. So I'm going to lead SEO. I'm going to load up some leads and click on continue. Okay, so here we are. So what is my email campaign going to be about? It's going to be about, let's see, AI link building tool. So what I have to do is click on generate via AI. So instead of me trying to do everything myself, type everything myself, the AI is going to do everything for me. So it's going to give us the title and it's going to give us the body that we can use for our outreach campaign. Here you can see, I notice your team is pushing hard on SEO. Then the series is going to come. Let's say my target or the links that, or the, let's say the leads that I have is from New York City. On SEO in New York City, then is going to put in the title. I speak with find the manual grind of link building to be their biggest bottleneck. Very nicely designed. And here we have AI SEO tool. So the next thing to do is, if I want to use a sequence follow up, so all I have to do is click on the follow up. It's going to take me to the next follow up. In case the client or someone received my email and they didn't respond, the system is going to wait for 3 days and send a follow-up email. So how do I get this follow-up email? I just click on AI draft. So it's going to automatically draft the next follow-up for me. Here, hi there, I'm following up on my previous note about our AI link building tool. I thought it might be a helpful way for, then it's going to put the title, to scale high quality backlinks without the usual manual overhead. I can do up to 3 sequences. Okay, I can set up, here we have another sequence, and this will wait for another 6 days and send another email. If I click on it, it's going to set up another sequence, another follow-up. So this is exactly what Instantly and Apollo do. So we have it in the system inside this desktop app. Let me see what's going to happen. It's loading. Okay, it's going to come up, and once it's done, I'll click on the save sequence and continue. And we have option to make the follow-up with LinkedIn or WhatsApp messages. That is, if the lead from this client has LinkedIn and WhatsApp, that is how we are going to do and go on with the follow-up. Okay, here we have follow-up on my last note regarding the AI link building tool I mentioned for, this is the follow-up. So now here I will say save and run AI verification on 60 emails. So I click on it. Okay, the 60 emails are 100% verified and ready to send. AI generated icebreakers at scale, so it's going to be personalized. If I click on it and click on save and continue, now these are the list of emails that I have in my account. I can choose which email that I want to use for sending, and daily limit seconds. I want every email to wait 120 seconds up to 300 seconds before sending, and the next thing to do is launch campaign. That is it. Let me go back to the command center. We have the email outreach, we have social outreach, we have auto publish worker. So we are not talking about this right now. I'm going back to the dashboard, and here we have auto social. The auto social is going to automatically send outreach, sending connections, sending DMs, everything, and posting inside your social media automatically based on your schedule. You can make the schedule generate and post every 5 minutes, or every day, every 2 days, every 3 days. I'm running so fast social account. We have Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, social leads. You can upload all your leads and start your social campaign. Let me go back, and here we have prospect. Here with the prospect, let me show you something, and it's going to take some time. Let me see SEO.com. So research. SEO.com is going to be my prospect here. So the tool is going to visit SEO.com, scan their entire website, and create an outreach for us with PDF that we can upload and send it to them or whatever it is. Look here, we have SEO.com. Here is a veteran. It's telling us more information about SEO.com and likely pain points, everything that we can do and all we can do to set it up. Audit pitch. So here, when we set it up, it's going to create audit and draft a pitch for us to send it to them to get the idea. Smart leads CRM. So here we can upload our leads, export and find leads, refresh. We have total 290 leads that we can start sending. Everything is step by step. It's going to show it to us here. I'm trying to move very fast. There's going to be another video about this AI creator. The AI creator, I think, no, we didn't talk about the AI creator. Crazy, so much to talk about. The AI creator, I'm going to log in into my WordPress. I just click on login. So it's going to log into my WordPress. Now it's inside my WordPress, and I can go here and say, let me remove all of this removed. So here is going to be AI link building tool. So this is my topic. When I click on generate, what's going to happen is it's going to give me so many titles, and with these titles I will schedule. Here we have 12. How to scale your backlink strategy, 7 ways AI link building tools do the heavy lifting. Okay, I like all of these 12. Append all. If I click it, now they are inside, ready to start building all these blog articles, and it's going to automatically publish them live inside my WordPress. So here I wanted to publish every 5 minutes one article, starting from 0. And time of the day to go live is going to be, let me see, 16. Here we have 16:30, so 16:32 is okay. Days to wait before publishing, I put 0. And I want every article to be 3,000 words in German language. Let me select English. And article tone is going to be professional. It's going to have 150 keywords inside every article. And I want all these features to be inside my article. This comparison table, FAQ, schema markup, images, 5 images, all of these are going to be inside the article. So the next thing to do is I'll just click on save. Okay, autopilot active. So now it's going to start publishing, writing. It will write this article and publish them automatically inside my WordPress. The last time I ran, it published 100 articles for me, created them and published them live inside it. This is crazy. So this is what this does. And the multi-forge is, if I want to create individual articles. Now this, I leave it, and the next time that I come, all the 12 articles will be created and published live inside my WordPress. I don't have to do anything. Multi-step block for. So here, I'm just going to follow up step by step, give it the keyword, the location, and choose the type of style and blog article that I want, and the images, the language. And here I want him to put all these features inside my blog articles. And voila, here's the blog articles that we have. Let me scroll down. Very, very nice and beautifully created. Look at this. And then it's going to publish it automatically inside my WordPress. I don't have to lift a finger. I don't have to do nothing. Everything is automatic. So I'm just going to log in and say publish article to WordPress, and then boom, it's going to be inside my WordPress. Content brief builder, you set it up, it's generated for you, and it's going to create it and publish it inside your WordPress. News autopilot, and here we have conversion ad copy viral script studio. You understand when I say this is better than GoHighLevel? This is better than all of these tools out there. Now let me go back to dashboard. What do we have next? Next, let me go to website site template. So let's say you are a web designer, or you want to start selling websites. You don't have to go to AI for the AI to create your website, and you don't even know how to create it to make it beautiful. You don't know what is hero, you don't know what is call to action. So it's going to take you, crazy a lot of time for you to learn all of this to build website. This software has so many niche, so many categories, so many websites already built for you. All you have to do is just pitch or just send outreach, and once you get a client, come here and select your website and just send it to your client. That is all you have to do. Here we have therapy and counseling. Let's preview it. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. And if you, how can I use it? How can I customize this and send it to my client? You use here, use this template. When you click on it, it's going to open it inside editor. So all you have to do, click on text, click on it. Here is alone. Look, you can change it. I'm going to put it back. You can change it. You can change all the text, everything, and even the images. If I click on this image, I go to assets. You can see this image of this woman. All I have to do is click on replace and then upload my new image and set my image alt text and click on save. That is it. Then I'm going to have a new image. Once I'm done, I'll just publish it or save it and send it to my client. That is it. Voila, I'm done. So let me go back. Let's take a look at some of these websites. You know, GoHighLevel has also a nice and beautiful designs, and here we have one, I mean, very nice and powerful designs. Florist Studio, let me preview it. Look, wow, very nice, beautiful. I like this. I like this. Let me close it. Here we have what, construction and builder. Let me preview it. Very nice, beautiful. You can sell it right in the box. No comment. Clients are going to appreciate it. Dance Studio preview. Wow, very nice, very beautiful. Clients are going to love it. You just edit it and send it to your client. Thousands of dollars. Here, what do we have? Okay, preview it. Wow, what can you say about it? Very nice, very beautiful. And here, what do we have? Catering and private chef. Open it. This is crazy, people. This is crazy. What do we have? Co-working space. Okay, and here we have hotel and resort. Let me preview it. Wow, you just have to edit it and sell it to your client. That is it. You are done. What is this? Plumber and handyman. Very nice, very beautiful. We are going to add more templates. Okay, more templates are going to be added. What is this? Gym and fitness. Let me take a look. Wow, I like this template. Very nice, very easy to sell it. Clients are going to say yes to you and pay you thousands of dollars for you for building this, even though you didn't build it. You just, very easy to edit it, to copy it and sell it. All right, crazy, crazy. And this, what do we have here? Pet grooming and spa. Okay, so what we have? Fine dining, dentist. Let me check dentist. Crazy, 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 crazy. This is insane. What do we have here? Clean clinic. Okay, clean clinic. Close it. All right, so there's gonna be, I'm going to do my best to post so many videos that we can see the features of all this desktop software that is killing it. Is killing it, people. Is killing it. What is this? DJ and events. Okay, DJ. Wow. All right. Okay, so what feature do we have? Lead finder. Here is where you can find leads. If you use Apollo or instantly, you know, you pay for every lead. But then let me go to my account before I check the lead finder. Let me go to my account. Here you can see I've already logged in my SMTP account from Hostinger and all the emails that I'm using. So these are all the emails that I'm using to send my outreach campaign. I can run a warm-up. So if warm-up is paused because all of them, I don't need warm-up. So if I click on warm-up, it's going to take me here. So warm-up settings. What I'm going to do is enable warm-up and then see how many emails do I want to send every day for my warm-up. Wrap up, increments, disable slow warm-up. I'm going to do all my warm-up settings and then save it, and it's going to run my warm-up. So let me close this. This is how I'm going to use all these emails to send my outreach campaign. So let's go back to lead finder. So here we have lead finder. So let's say digital marketing agencies, and the city is going to be New York City. So I'm going to select this, and social, I just want 100 leads. So click on find leads. So let's see. Oh, wait a minute, let me refresh this. Normally I wanted to use with, okay, so deep email hunt, and now back again, digital marketing agencies, and the city is going to be New York City. It can select directories. Okay, so just 100 lists. No, let me just go back down to 50 because I want to make this video short one. Now down to 50. Let's see what's gonna happen. So once I get this list, I can start pitching these people, sending them outreach email. There are so many features that we did not talk about. We didn't talk about so many features. Let me, before this one finishes, let me see. We have run tracker, we have YouTube optimizer, we have link building, and inside the website you can build it yourself. We have clone a website, where you can clone a website. Okay, instant demo. If some of your outreach campaigns start working and someone is interested, you can go and create a demo, send it to them for them to verify. Content SEO, here's where you can create blog articles, set it up for automatic publishing. You don't have to do nothing. Content optimizer, just like Safer SEO, it works exactly like Safer SEO. You paste in your content is going to scan it and show you the percentage of keywords and everything that is in your content. If you have to change it, if you have to add more keywords, it's going to show it to you. And this is brand. It's going to set your brand in action, so you can use your brand content for your outreach campaign. Omni repurpose copy studio AI detector. You create an article with AI. You can paste the article here, and the AI detector is going to show you if it is AI or human, or how many percentage is AI or how many is human. It's going to show it to you. And here we have channels, auto social, and here we have the AI ads manager. I can't go through all of them right now. Deliverabilities, which is going to show you how possible are your emails to land inside the inbox. Okay, and the system health, and here we have the settings. So people, this is crazy. Imagine you having this on your desktop, sitting down on your desktop. Your entire marketing team is on desktop. You can run all of this yourself and alone. So I don't want to wait for this. Let me just go back to the dashboard, but you have the idea. At the end of the day, it's going to give us all the lists that we want, and we are going to upload it to the CRM. Once we upload it into the CRM is going to distribute the lead for LinkedIn, for Twitter, for Facebook, so we can see everything live. And here to the command center. No, let me see the outreach campaign. Once you start running campaign, it will show you which campaigns are running. This campaign is finished because the leads are 42. So normally I can pause this campaign. Now the campaign is paused. That is it, people. So my next video is going to be more in-depth to show you the function of this desktop tool. This is crazy. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing. See you in the next video.